It's so cool! Hello everyone, I'm Suman. Today I am going to do a tornado in a bottle experiment. So the things you'll need is a vortex connector, two 2-liter balls. So let's get started. So after putting the water, add the connector. Then you can add glitter or dishwashing soap. These two are optional. So let's carefully put the glitter. Dishwashing soap. Okay, after that, then let's connect the other bottle. Then we should flip it upside down and give a little twist. See how cool it is? It's looking like an actual tornado because of this fog, smoke. Wow, it's so cool! Do you like it? Thank you.